Sealant application on ships is crucial for maintaining watertight integrity, especially when it comes to hatch covers and deck areas. Water ingress can lead to significant damage, affecting both safety and operational efficiency. That's why understanding the importance of sealants is vital for crew awareness and maritime learners alike. First, let's talk about why sealants matter. They act as a barrier, preventing water from entering critical areas of the ship. This is not just about keeping the vessel dry. It's about ensuring the safety of everyone on board and protecting valuable cargo. A well-sealed hatch cover can save you from costly repairs and potential accidents. Now, on to inspection and testing. Regular hatch cover seal inspections are essential. You should check for any signs of wear or damage, such as cracks or gaps. A simple water test can help identify leaks. Spray water around the seals and observe for any signs of ingress. If you notice any issues, it's time to reapply or replace the sealant. When it comes to application, there are best practices to follow. Ensure the surface is clean and dry before applying the sealant. Use a high-quality marine sealant that meets IMO requirements. Apply it evenly and don't rush the curing process. Remember, a well-applied sealant can last for years, providing effective deck leak protection. Compliance with SOLAS guidelines is non-negotiable. These regulations ensure that vessels maintain watertight integrity, which is critical for safety at sea. Familiarize yourself with the specific SOLAS and IMO sealant requirements relevant to your vessel. This knowledge not only keeps you compliant, but also enhances your credibility as a safety professional. In summary, effective sealant application is a key aspect of maritime safety. By prioritizing seal inspections, adhering to best practices, and ensuring compliance with SOLAS guidelines, you can significantly reduce the risk of water ingress. Remember, a small investment in sealant maintenance today can prevent major issues tomorrow.